Is it on? Is it on yet? Oh, hi everybody. All of Becca in the kitchen. Fair game mukbangs. Yeah, it's pretty loud because sometimes I don't know if the mic is right. Sometimes I don't know if the lighting is right. Sometimes I don't know. But I got on one earring today. It's over here because this one over on the other side flew the coop when I was on my walk this morning. Okay, you guys, I'm going to tell you what I got. Do a quick thumbnail and dive right in. What I have today and a prayer. I always try to pray before, during, and after. So, right now, let's do the prayer first. Father God, we thank you. We thank you so very much for the food, for the nourishment of our body. In Christ's sake, amen. Okay, you guys, here we go. Here we go. I don't know if you can see those fresh meatballs I made in the air fryer. Oh, let's see if we can get it. Look at that. Let's do a thumbnail right here. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. It's good, y'all. Muffled good. Alright, so that's our thumbnail. We did our prayer. That's what happens when I start moving the camera around, start making a muck. There we go, guys. I think we're back in the business now. Alright, so we have meatballs from the air fryer. We have yams. We have potato. We have corn. We have, in this little bowl, my favorite. Do you guys know what it is? Come on, tell me what it is. It's a dill dip. I love that stuff, you guys. So that's kind of my go-to. So as I said, we got dill dip, we got yams, we got a piece of potato, we got corn, we got some cucumber here, and we got those meatballs from the air fryer. Alright guys, so this sauce, that's the last of it. That's the last of it. That's the last of my beloved 3-time. I said a beloved 3-time sauce. That's the last of it, y'all. And y'all know, don't call me Walter nobody, but I like a little spoon too. Maybe he likes a bigger spoon. Oh, no. I like a little spoon. So, when you guys come to me and you say, well, what were you talking about? A little spoon. Who's Walt? Who likes a little spoon? Y'all know what I'm gonna tell y'all. Y'all don't know all the YouTubers, and neither do I. But we all seem to make a comment or two whenever we have the chance on another YouTuber. And it's quite funny, actually. Quite funny. My intention here is for someone to eat with me. Please, come on, eat with me. Eat a bite of cucumber. So good. I had intended on just having yams with a special spinach today. My food, all my food is good, y'all. So, don't worry about it. That was a bomb bite I just had. That was some orange that I had put in those yams. So good. Anyway, that's why you don't need to put all that brown sugar in your yams when you're cooking it. Brown sugar and all that, marshmallows and all that. Just put you some fruit in there. Put you some pears, some oranges, some apples, all of that in yams or anything sweet that you're making, baking, or cooking is okay. And that way, some children that don't like maybe fruit or whatever, they'll get their fruit intake with the food. So that's my whole reasoning for using oranges also in my yams, but I also use all those other fruits that I mentioned, but not today. All right, you guys, here goes. What we're doing for the first time, me and you together, right? Together, two of us, we're going to try the air fryer meatballs for the first time. Air fryer chicken meatballs. So I cut one in half. Bomb. Sorry. That's why I'm eating in my house. Y'all might say, Becky, you could do better than that. Don't worry about me. Worry about your own house. That's what a famous uncle used to say. Worry about your own self, son. Worry about your own self, son. Another thing I wanted to say is, don't knock my gifts. Get your own gifts. Worry about those. On camera. If I can eat on camera, I can wipe my mouth on camera, I can pick my teeth on camera. Everyone does things on camera. A lot of people get paid for it. Well, today is Wellness Wednesday. And I'm going to talk to you guys about I'm going to talk to you guys about a ingredient, which is a vegetable that I use in these meatballs. And I did another video on them, but I got to redo that video because it did not come out with sound at all. That's why sometimes the sound is not suitable for your sweet, innocent ears. Eat that. Eat. So good. I don't lie, my food be good. I do not lie about that, y'all. And I wasn't supposed to have these yams, but I wanted to. Mm. I love yams, y'all. It's so good. I'm going to talk to y'all about watercress on my little break right here. Not watercress, I'm sorry. Water chestnuts. I do love watercress, but we'll go over what that is. It's an herb, but we'll go over that and we'll maybe on another time. I can't say exactly when. But watercress, Wednesday, they do have the same W. W, watercress, Wednesday. Wellness Wednesday. I'm going to talk to you guys about water chestnuts and the benefits of water chestnuts. And some of the benefits of water chestnuts, we might say it could perhaps be useful in lowering your blood pressure. Perhaps water chestnuts perhaps could be useful in slowing down any heart disease. It could be useful because it's high in antioxidants. And with these antioxidants are good in curing all diseases. They're high in antioxidants. So if I was you, I'd run right out and get me some water chestnuts, cause they could save your life. Water chestnuts come in a can. The ones that I've seen anyway. You might be able to get them in a, I don't know if this is correct political stuff, but you might be able to get them in Asian stores. Asians cook with them all the time. They use them for fillers, which is what I guess this recipe called for. A filler. It's a meatball. In the book, it's called something else. But I already showed you how I eat a meatball with a fork. Bomb! I ain't put no makeup on today, y'all. My objective is to help somebody eat. And to come on in and eat with me. My food is good. All my food is good. That meatball and that corn. My God, my God. It's good. Well, you guys know I'm moving into a new place. Coming soon. What I'm glad about right now is, at this very moment, is that you guys are here in the room with me and you had some food. If you didn't, I need you to run right out and try to get something that you can make up really fast. And if you have an air fryer, Go ahead and try some chicken meatballs in there. I'll show you how I made them again on another video because I got so twisted and carried away that I didn't turn on my speakers or my mic, whatever you call it. And so the whole making of Becca in the kitchen making meatballs did not turn out the way I wanted it to. So I'll have to do that video another time, okay? Mmm. Man, that was good. It's dripping. It's good. It's dripping. It's good. Beat up, beat up, beat up, street side. I went to Costco today. I think, yeah. Costco. Yeah, this morning I went to Costco. I mean, not Costco, Sam's Club. And y'all, and I was just trying to see what they, I saw on somebody else's video how their crab came, a king crab. I was like, so skeptical. I'm all off in the store talking about, that's okay. B-Love. Girl, I'm sorry, that sauce is good. That's the third day, and that's the last of it. Well, that's the last of the one I was using. I had already put a whole bowl full up for later. So good. Gotta give me a little bit. Gotta eat that yam. Eat the yam. I love yams. I'm getting full. Y'all, this happens to me every time. I start eating and then I get full. I've already talked about what I wanted to discuss with you on a Wellness Wednesday. I do want to shout out TS Madison. TS Madison. Oh, y'all better watch her. She's coming on March the 4th at 10 p.m. on We TV. Alright, y'all gonna be saying, oh, I heard about it, but I didn't know, oh, really, yeah, I've been talking about T.S. Madison for a long time. If y'all can't get with the program, I can't make y'all get with nothing. I can't do it. But like she said, watch all these little pop-up shows come up. I might be around in one of her little pop-up shows. What you gonna be doing? I'll be cooking, fool. I am Ayurvedic. I cook for systems. No, not technological systems. We're talking about human systems. That's who I cook for. Human systems. Trying to make everything stay good and well in my body. As you guys know, I am over 60 years old. And look at his face. Yeah. Some of y'all got to get where I'm at. So I'm not worried about what you say. So get in the comments, say what you want, and God bless you. Becca Booze, I love you so much. I thank all of you guys for coming in here with me and being with me on the show, you know, and on the screen and all, eating with me and just letting me say whatever I need to say. And I love my platform, and I love you, Becca Booze, so much. I'm going to come back tomorrow with another video, and I'll see you guys then, okay? Bye, y'all. Bye. Becca said, bye.